Yo, what's up? So this will be my first time ever using this GoPro. It's a Hero 7 Black, and I'll be shooting in 4K for this video. I'm just kind of testing it out, and I guess I'll use this test time as a quick update for my car. Generally, I'll be uploading to an AP 60 FPS. That's just the standard, and still is kind of standard for most people. But since I have this GoPro, I thought I'd try it out at least once in 4K. I've been shooting all my videos with my GoPro Session 4. It's a little cube guy, and it's great and everything. A little sneak preview of what I got going for that is you can see I mounted a guy here, so hopefully tomorrow at the track I'll be able to get some pedal footage as well as the normal helmet footage that will be coming from this camera from now on. So quick update, track tomorrow, but also you can see my center console is a little bit different. I went ahead and deleted the armrest. I basically just cut the console off at a 45 and then put a plate there. Removed the plastics for the cup holders and stuff, and then inserted a panel with the carpet. Got some M-Rain boots for the e-brake and the shift boot. I haven't fully tightened them down and everything, but I like how they go. Kind of tempts me to like wrap the seat in M-Rain or something like that, but it's expensive fabric. So in addition to the boots, I finally bit the bullet and bought a carbon fiber sunroof delete panel. I did end up going with the carbon fiber. I think it'll just be super sick to see from inside the cabin and obviously from outside. I got that from S2R Tuning from Alex, and hopefully that comes next week. I also have door panels. I've already removed the rear ones. So aluminum, matte black, powder coated door panels from Turtle Labs. I'm really excited to get those and install those as well. Yeah, other than that, everything's about as normal. Just gonna finish up swapping out my panels, which are nice luxury panels. I don't want to ruin them any farther than I have, so I'm gonna take these off and either save them or sell them off while I can, while I have the complete set and nothing's been molested too badly. But yeah, so that's kind of in the future. I'll have a video out for installing those door panels. Should be very simple. I already kind of know how to do that. And then should have a video on removing the headliner. I gotta remove the cage. Remove the headliner, installing the carbon fiber sunroof delete panel, and then putting the headliner back in. So yeah, that was just a quick excuse to test out 4K on this GoPro. And next will be footage of me at the track with a pedal cam.